Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I posted anything, but I'm super excited to get this video out here today. We're going to be doing a get ready with me, so I'm just going to be updating you a little bit on my life. And yeah, let's get started. NARS foundation is my newest that I have right now. And I'm just going to be using about 4 pumps on my hand. And then taking dots of that, putting it all over my face, especially on those areas that I know are a little bit rough, and blending. I have like some acne right now. It's not too bad. Usually it's worse. So I'm pretty thankful. So next I'm going to be setting my face with my Laura Mercier powder, and this is in translucent. My nose is a really big thing to be hitting with this powder because my nose gets super oily during the day. Now that my face is set and ready to go, I'm going to be doing my eyebrows off camera quick, and I will be right back. I'm going to be priming my eyes really quick with the Urban Decay Perfect Eyeshadow Primer Potion. So just a little bit on my fingers and then dabbing them together and just putting it on my eyelid just like that. It's so easy. So basically I haven't been filming for a while because I've been super busy. I transferred schools, which is like the last thing you guys knew about me, was that I was transferring colleges. And so basically what happened was just that I got super busy with everything, and I didn't forget about YouTube, I just literally didn't have time. So that was like really hard for me. I really wanted to be doing all of my YouTube stuff and like filming and everything, and it just wasn't working out like time-wise. I just couldn't get it, and it was so frustrating and so sad. So today actually what's gonna go down is I woke up and I went to work. And I actually took a double today. So I came home for 2 hours, which is right now. So I have about 2 hours to film, and then I'm going to go back to work and close the store. So I'm really glad that I'm getting to do a little bit of YouTube and makeup just because it's been so long. Basically, once I got to my new school, I loved it, you guys. I've been so happy, and it's been really awesome. I just switched my major yesterday to journalism and public relations. So switching my major didn't entail much. It's not changing a lot other than the fact that I got out of all of those like business classes that I didn't want to be in. I really like my journalism class, and that's what kind of brought me to be doing it. So I just thought that that would be a good idea to switch majors to something that was making me so happy. My journalism class right now, I'm doing a piece on gun control and like just how easy it is to get a gun. I might put some of that on my personal YouTube channel as well, we'll see. I'm doing a pretty simple eye look today just because I want to do a get ready with me and just like keep it super easy. I don't know what else has really been going on. I've just been super busy trying to save money and make money, buying a car. I got a new camera to vlog on, and that's been a lot of fun having. So I'm going to be applying Morphe shadows. We're back with Morphe, and I'm going to be putting those on the inner corner of my lid, and I really want to do like a really gold eye look for some reason today. So that's what we're going to do, is just very shimmery. For my lower lash line, I'm going to go with a little bit darker orangey tone and pack that under there. For some reason, I've been really into these orangey shades, and I know obviously like I want to get use out of my Natasha Denona palette, but I've just been so obsessed. I grab for something out of it pretty much every day, but this is just like so beautiful, and it blends well with other shadows, I think, so that's really nice. I'm going to grab the white shade and highlight my brow bone. Also, not sure if you guys have noticed, but my brows need some work. They are currently in a state of growing out. So now that my eyes are done, I'm going to grab some lashes and pop those on real fast. Okay, you guys might notice a little bit of difference in the video quality and the lighting. Sorry, I think I have a hair in my lash. There we go. And that is because I had to change my camera. The other one just died, sadly, so I just swapped out cameras quick. Using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, I'm just going to pop this on over my lashes quick and on my bottom lashes, and then we will finish my face. Okay guys, mascara is on and it's time to start bronzing up my face, obviously using my Too Faced Sun Bunny bronzer. And I'm going to grab my Sigma brush and we're going to contour my nose a little bit first. Ta-da! Isn't it so pretty? So I'm going to, ruin it, and we're going to contour my face a little bit. And this I don't sweep, I like to kind of pat it on there. I don't know why, I think it lays nicer on the forehead when it's a little more blended that way. So I don't want to do anything too hardcore and crazy today for contour, so I'm going to leave it like this so it looks pretty natural. I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in Sugar, and it's beautiful. Obviously, I've showed this in a couple previous videos, I think. And today I'm going to be using Marshmallow and Butterscotch to create a highlight. I now highlight the tops of my brows. My underbrow is already highlighted. And then I use Marshmallow down my nose. And this is just like the prettiest highlighter ever. So Marshmallow down my nose, and then also above my lip. And then I do Marshmallow and Butterscotch mix again on my chin. So when you turn in the angles, it really captures it really well. It's so pretty. And guys, last but not least, we just have to finish with lips. So I was bored the other day and I wanted a different lip color, and so I had these two, and they're both Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipsticks, and so I combined the colors. And this one is in the shade Feelin' Myself. It's kind of a coral, and this one is in the shade Holy Chic. And so I'm going to be mixing these two for a lip color. Alright my loves, that is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram. I post a lot more there than I post on YouTube, obviously, and I'm going to start posting makeup videos on there as well. This one will probably go in there. But yeah, I'm just super excited to get back into YouTube for you guys, and I'm so excited to have better quality videos, better quality audio, and just kind of recreating my channel for you. So I love you, and I will see you next time. Bye!